don't know what's that for.
Itu karena.
Oh, for rabbit. But where's the rabbit? Where's the rabbit? I didn't see the rabbit. Where's the rabbit? Oh, there, the rabbit, yeah. Oh, this is a rabbit farm. There, see? Over there. Okay. Bismillah. There, the rabbits. Oh, yeah. The rabbits here. Over there, at the bench there. Here. Over there. Oh! Can you see in this video? Wow. Actually, you can eat rabbit. Wow. Oh, ya Allah. So cute. Suitable to bring kids here. What is this? It is a strawberry? What is this? There, you see? Up there. I don't know. It looks like longan to me. Oh, mata kucing. Hey, this is grape. Oh, I see. Grape, yeah, grape. I thought it was longan. It's actually a grape. Grape, yeah. Wow. I don't know. But what's the fruits? This is green grapes, not red or black. But there's no fruits yet.